Number 1. 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $8,200, Callahan, Colorado. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead brings classic American custom character together with a number of upgrades that make this vintage Harley especially interesting. This example has been resurrected with an 80-inch S&S crate motor installed in 2000, complete with MSO, along with a RevTech 5-speed. It also features both kickstart and electric start, plus an oil cooler for added practicality. The burgundy plum flake style paint gives the motorcycle a distinctive period-inspired appearance that should stand out at bike nights and local rides. For enthusiasts looking for a classic shovelhead with custom personality, upgraded components, and plenty of old-school Harley attitude, this example offers an exciting package at $8,200. Number 2. 1981 Yamaha RZ350 LC, $7,500, Chesterfield, Missouri. The 1981 Yamaha RZ350 LC is a particularly interesting two-stroke sport bike because this model was not officially sold in the United States, making examples like this much harder to find. Imported from Japan, this motorcycle shows about 14,000 miles and features the legendary 347cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. The RZ350 became famous for its sharp handling and impressive power-to-weight ratio, giving it a reputation as a lightweight motorcycle capable of surprising much larger machines. This example has a clean Missouri title and is licensed and insured in the state. For collectors and riders who appreciate rare two-stroke performance, this RZ350 LC is an especially exciting vintage find at $7,500. Number 3. 1972 BMW R75/5, $4,000, Golden, Colorado. The 1972 BMW R75/5 is a classic airhead with an especially interesting history, having spent approximately 35 years sitting as a barn find before being brought back to the road. The motorcycle now runs and rides well, with around 51,000 miles indicated, while numerous age-related rubber components have been replaced, including tires, fuel lines, push rod seals, and other necessary gaskets. Another unusual feature is the 5-speed transmission from the later /6 generation, installed by a previous owner while retaining the kickstart. This combination gives the bike authentic early BMW character, along with a useful upgrade for modern riding. For vintage BMW enthusiasts searching for a genuine survivor with an interesting story, this R75/5 offers plenty of appeal at $4,000. Number 4. 1982 Kawasaki KZ750, $4,000, Penrose, Colorado. The 1982 Kawasaki KZ750 offers a straightforward, classic Japanese motorcycle experience with mostly original equipment and a reputation for dependable performance. This example has approximately 46,000 miles and remains all original except for the seat cover and grips, giving it a genuine period appearance. The seller reports that it runs great and starts every time, which is an important advantage for anyone looking for a classic motorcycle that can be enjoyed rather than simply stored. A clean and clear Colorado title is also included, while the seller is asking $4,000 or best offer. For riders who appreciate original Japanese motorcycles with honest mileage and reliable running condition, this KZ750 is an appealing vintage option. Number 5. 1956 Triumph T110, $6,250, Marshalltown, Iowa. The 1956 Triumph T110 represents the classic British motorcycle era with its elegant styling, 650cc engine, and unmistakable vintage Triumph character. This example shows approximately 8,000 miles and is described as being in good running condition, making it an interesting choice for enthusiasts who want a historic British motorcycle they can actually enjoy on the road. The seller has a title in their name, and the motorcycle is currently licensed for riding, adding convenience for its next owner. With its mid-1950s styling and strong connection to Triumph's legendary motorcycle history, the Tiger 110 has plenty of collector appeal. At $6,250, this is a charming vintage British motorcycle with genuine old-school personality. Number 6. 1976 Suzuki GT185, $2,900, Albuquerque, New Mexico. The 1976 Suzuki GT185 is a lightweight two-stroke twin that delivers the simple, fun character many vintage motorcycle enthusiasts love. This example has just 2,750 original miles and is described as fully serviced, running, shifting, and braking perfectly. It also features both electric and kickstart, while most of the chrome remains in excellent condition. The seller describes it as mechanically sound with honest cosmetics rather than a full concourse restoration, making it more suitable for someone who wants to ride and enjoy the bike. At $2,900, this GT185 offers an appealing combination of low mileage, classic styling, and easygoing two-stroke personality. Number 7. 1982 Honda Goldwing GL 1100, $3,590, Mount Prospect, Illinois. The 1982 Honda Goldwing GL 1100 is presented as a remarkable time capsule example with an incredibly low 2,270 miles. This motorcycle has remained with the same owner since 1982, making its original ownership history especially impressive for a machine that is now more than 4 decades old. The seller reports that it starts immediately, idles perfectly, and rides incredibly smoothly, describing its condition as being very close to new. An original title is also included, adding to the appeal for collectors and enthusiasts who value documented history. For anyone searching for a remarkably preserved classic touring motorcycle with extremely low mileage, this Goldwing is a standout vintage find at $3,590.
Number 8. 1969 BSA A65L Lightning, $2,500, Jefferson, Wisconsin. The 1969 BSA A65L Lightning is a classic British twin with a strong connection to the golden era of British motorcycling. This example has been part of the seller's collection for at least 15 years and has seen very limited use, mainly being ridden occasionally around the neighborhood. The motorcycle has a clean title and is described as being in great overall shape, although it has been stored without oil for at least the last 3 years and is being sold strictly as is. Its black finish and traditional BSA styling give it plenty of vintage character, while the long-term collection history adds interest. At $2,500, this Lightning could be an intriguing opportunity for a collector or enthusiast prepared to give it the attention it needs.
Number 9. 1949 Moto Guzzi Airone Sport 250, $14,900, West Bloomfield, Michigan. The 1949 Moto Guzzi Airone Sport 250 is a beautifully historic Italian motorcycle and one of the most distinctive machines in this lineup. This early post-war example has been owned by the seller for more than 40 years and has been used very sparingly, spending most of that time carefully stored. Remarkably, the motorcycle still starts and runs beautifully, adding considerable appeal for collectors who value both history and usability. The sale also includes a Moto Guzzi parts catalog, maintenance manual, period duplicate registration document believed to date from around 1956, Eagle decals, and a clean Michigan title. At $14,900, this Airone Sport sits in a different price category,
but its rarity, history, and exceptionally preserved character make it a fascinating vintage motorcycle.
Number 10. 1981 Kawasaki KZ440 LTD, $900, Winona, Minnesota. The 1981 Kawasaki KZ440 LTD is an affordable classic Japanese motorcycle that could make an interesting starting point for a light restoration or budget vintage project. This example shows approximately 36,000 miles and is offered with a clean title, giving the next owner a straightforward foundation for bringing the bike back to its best condition. The seller notes that there is some rust inside the fuel tank, which should be considered when evaluating the motorcycle and planning any necessary work. At just $900 or best offer, the KZ440 provides an inexpensive opportunity to own a classic Kawasaki without a major initial investment. For someone who enjoys bringing older motorcycles back to life, this could be a fun and approachable project.